Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have another case for the Vivo X Fold. Now I'm going to get a month update to you in my next video, but for now we're still trying to get the right feel for accessories for this device. In my previous video I showed you the OEM case from Vivo, that pretty gold shine in there. I did tell you that I was using a clear back off of this case, but I didn't like the front. So I went with one of my favorite cases that I've kind of gotten for every foldable that I've owned to date, another carbon fiber case. Now they didn't carry the solid colors like I like. They do a red and blue, they do a solid black, or they do a black and blue, and we went with the black and blue. So let's get into this. Now, of all the things I've ordered, including the phone, this has taken the longest to arrive. It's set at my local post office for 4 days. Now, I'm not crazy about the two-tone carbon fiber, but I'll deal with it. I'm more in it for the front. I like to carry more of a hybrid kind of case where I'm using a different front and a different back from two different cases, but I'm going to show you what this looks like completely installed first. Now there's double-sided tape on the front in two places, so it holds it into place. I'm just gonna stick it on first because I've been wanting to replace this front protector for a while, ever since I first installed it, because it was a little off-centered. I can already see we have a nice hole up here for our earpiece speaker so we can hear the calls, and for our top speaker. Bottom speaker is fully exposed as well. Let me put the other piece on. It has a nice look. If I'm not trying to show my color off, I could definitely rock with this. Like I said, it's black and blue and then the black and gray. So far I'm liking the feel of this. I'm running launcher on this phone. Still running a launcher, it's still working fine. It does stick. So on the bottom we got our microphone, bottom firing speaker, as I said before, and your charging port is fully exposed. We have full access to our buttons on the side and our slider. I know I struggled to get to my buttons with the clear case on, and I can tell you there's no lip whatsoever for your camera back there. So your camera's kind of exposed, people. Not really a good look if you're out and about and you don't have any protection on the back, which is probably why I'm gonna go pretty much hybrid on this case, because my clear does have a hump to protect the camera back here. Let's do some testing of the speakers. Shout out to Gift Top for finally getting my case. We'll drop you those details right in here, show you how much I paid for said case. And let's get to this unboxing. So as you could hear, everything sounds fine. I didn't blast you out or anything. I always like to show people how my screen protector is doing. It's doing fine here on the inside. Even the outside screen is doing fine. It's just that being off in the front is throwing me off. So I'm gonna reinstall it right now, and then I'm gonna install this front protector so we can see what it truly looks like without it raising up, and so we can make sure it actually fits. Almost a perfect install. I think I got a couple bubbles, I don't know. But the camera looks a lot better. So now we're gonna install our front. There's the old screen protector. If you want to see that install, I'll link you here to the unboxing where I install that. So we're just going to remove the double-sided tape here. I have learned that if you want to take this off and use another case, if you keep the backs to this double-sided tape, you can put it back on here. Get down in here, and I got fingernails. I did break one of my nails today, so it's kind of jagged. I'm sorry if that looks horrible on video. So sometimes I like to keep the double-sided tape just in case I want to use something a little different. I like to get that on good the first time. We still got a nice little hole up there for our speaker so we can hear our calls. There's a gap here. More than likely I won't be using a lot of this carbon fiber front, clear back. So I mean, it works either way. With the clear back, I do get protection on my camera. These clear backs you can find just about anywhere. They're $3, $4, $5 tops. Don't spend more than $5 on one of these. I'm saying shipping and all. All right. And if you break one or whatever, hey, you should be able to replace it relatively easy for $5 or less. That's the front and the back. I'd like to thank you for stopping by the channel and checking out my carbon fiber case for the Vivo X Fold. Links will be in the description for this item, as well as links in the description for the OEM Vivo X Fold. I'd like to thank you for taking time out to watch my video. Time is money. I'd also like to thank all of you who subscribed and all of my members who support the channel. If you're interested in potentially becoming a member, click the link in the description. It'll show you the perks. If I have helped you in any way on this video, there's a super thanks button. Click that. You can donate as if you're in a live stream and this is a super chat, and show your appreciation with a customized comment below. I hope to catch you on one of my future videos. Hi!